Hello, welcome back to the channel. It's me, Searbear, and if you're new here, hello, my name is Searbear. It is so nice to meet you. Dun dun dun. I am back today with another recipe from the Stardew Valley Cookbook. What are we making today? Oh my gosh, I am so glad you asked. We are making Poppyseed muffins. Wow. There isn't really a picture besides like the art. And I also got some lemon juice on the cookbook already, so we're off to a great start. I don't know if I've had poppy seed muffins before, but I'm sure it's gonna end up tasting good. I'm very excited to try it out because it's like lemon in it. So, I do like lemon flavored things. It is from the kitchen of the Queen of Sauce, and it makes 12 muffins. That's so many, oh my gosh. We have our little note here, and we also have a note from Leah. Though plenty of flavors pair well with the nutty crunch of poppy seeds, no flavor goes hand in hand more naturally with them than lemon. There's a reason why so many poppy seed muffin recipes call for this pairing, and I say if it ain't broke, don't fix it. We'll throw in some buttermilk for a bit of additional tanginess and to produce a texture so soft and fluffy, you might accidentally mistake it for your favorite pillow. Talk about sweet dreams! Be careful not to put too much batter in each cup. The muffins expand while baking, and we don't want to go ruining that perfect little muffin shape by having them overflow. Alright, let's see what Leah says. I don't come across poppies very often while foraging, but Evelyn lets me harvest seeds from the ones in the town garden every year. Lucky for me, I can get enough seeds for a whole batch of muffins from just a few flowers. I'm excited, I don't know. I'm so excited to see how this turns out. Alright, let me go and get all of the ingredients, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. Alright, and here are the ingredients. Wow. I have made muffins before, so I mean, I'm sure it'll be fine. I am curious. I'm excited to see like how fluffy they're going to be. I can't wait to see if they get fluffy or something, you know? I don't know. It seems kind of crazy, but I guess let's go ahead and get started and see how it goes. I'm feeling pretty confident about it. I always say that. I mean it this time, I think. I don't know. Anyway, let's go get started. Alright, and now that we have everything all gathered, let's go ahead and see what we have to do. Line a standard 12-cup muffin tin with cupcake liners. In a large bowl, whisk together the flour, poppy seeds, baking powder, half a teaspoon salt, and the baking soda. In a medium bowl, combine the granulated sugar and lemon zest and use your fingers to rub them together until the mixture has the texture of wet sand. Ooh, okay. Add the buttermilk, eggs, olive oil, lemon juice, and vanilla. Whisk until smooth, then slowly whisk in the melted butter until well combined. Pour the buttermilk mixture into the dry ingredients and use a rubber spatula to gently stir until the batter is just combined. A few lumps are fine. Do not overmix. Oh, I'm so scared I'm gonna do that. God, I hope I don't overmix this. I mean, I guess that's fine, right? I don't know. Set the batter aside to rest for 30 minutes at room temperature. The batter will become slightly fluffy during this time and will ensure a domed muffin with a light crumb. After 20 minutes, preheat the oven to 400 degrees. Easy. Divide the batter evenly among the cups in the muffin tin, about a heaping 4th cup batter per cup. Do not flatten the batter. Leave it in fluffy mounds. Sprinkle the tops with the raw sugar. Bake the muffins for 10 minutes, then reduce the temperature to 375, and continue to bake until the tops and edges of the muffins are light golden brown and a cake taster or toothpick inserted into a muffin center comes out clean. 10 to 12 additional minutes. Cool the muffins in the tin for 5 minutes, then transfer to a wire rack to cool completely before serving. And here is the reveal. Dude, I filled these up so bad. But look at them, they look yummy. Oh my gosh. Wow. 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 Okay, let's try it. Alright, let's try this bad boy. Oh, it smells so good. Okay. I got too impatient. I wanted to try it now instead of waiting until it cooled completely. I think I like it. I like it. It is very fluffy. Yeah, I like it. I like it. It's good. I like the little saltiness that I taste. I think that's like what really gets it for me. Look at this bread. Well, I guess it's not bread. Look at this muffin. Wow. Wow. Oh my gosh. This one wasn't too bad, actually. It was straight to the point, super simple, all on one page. Amazing. They said purple bottom, but I couldn't find, this was the closest that I could get. So, yeah. Yeah, this is pretty good. Is it my top favorite from the desserts I've made so far? It's okay. Like, I mean, maybe not top 3. Would I go out of my way to make these again? I'm not sure. I don't really taste the lemon, actually. Yeah, I mean, it's good. Like, it's good. It's easy. It's straight to the point. I was worried I overmixed it, which I guess it's fine. I don't know. I also was worried that I overfilled them, which that did happen for some of them, but that's okay. But yeah, wow, we made it through. Yay! Do you guys like poppy seed muffins? Have you guys had poppy seed muffins? I do like muffins. But yep, there we go. That's another one done. Another one from the cookbook. Down. Oh my gosh. What did you guys think of it? I think it was fine. The cleanup was kind of a pain, but that's okay. It's always a pain. Yeah. Nothing too crazy. It wasn't hard. Like, it wasn't hard. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy, because there was lemons in it. Yep, that's all I got for y'all today. But I want to thank you guys so much for watching through this video and making it until the end. I hope you all have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day. And I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye! Please don't forget to leave a like and comment if you enjoyed the video, because I keep forgetting to say that. Bye! God, I hope I don't overmix this. I mean, I guess that's fine, right? I don't know.